How do AI and NLP understand correct grammar? Imagine talking to a robot that can tell if your sentences are right or wrong. How does it figure out what is correct grammar and what is not? That's what we're about to explore. Artificial intelligence, or AI, uses a part of computer science called natural language processing to understand language. Instead of memorizing rules like we do, AI looks for patterns in lots of text. It learns from examples rather than strict rules. The first step AI takes is called tokenization. It splits sentences into smaller parts called tokens. These can be words, parts of words, or meaningful phrases. For example, the word cooked might be broken into cook and ed to understand the tense. This helps the AI see how words are built and how they work in a sentence. Next, the AI performs syntactic analysis. This means it checks how tokens fit together based on grammar rules. It figures out which words are nouns, verbs, or adjectives. For example, in the sentence, "The dog chased the cat," the AI recognizes dog as the subject, chased as the action, and cat as the object. It uses techniques like dependency parsing, which maps how words depend on each other, or constituency parsing, which builds a tree showing sentence structure. After understanding the structure, the AI moves to semantic analysis. This step helps it grasp the meaning of words and sentences in context. It can tell if a phrase is ambiguous or if a word has multiple meanings. Named entity recognition is part of this, where the AI identifies names, dates, or places to avoid confusion. To understand language better, AI uses a method called vectorization. It turns words into numbers in a mathematical space. Words that are similar in meaning are placed close together. This helps AI understand relationships between words like happy and joyful, beyond just their dictionary definitions. Most AI models are trained on huge amounts of text. They learn patterns of correct grammar from these examples. Instead of knowing rules, they predict what word should come next based on what they have seen. This is how they generate sentences that sound natural and follow grammatical norms. From a language channel's point of view, AI's way of learning grammar is like spotting patterns. It recognizes that cooked is the past form of cook by seeing many examples. It also learns how words usually combine in sentences. This pattern recognition helps it spot errors or produce correct sentences. Applications include grammar checkers that highlight mistakes, translation tools that keep sentences correct, and voice assistants that respond properly. They all relying on this pattern-based understanding of grammar. In short, AI and NLP understand correct grammar by breaking language into parts, analyzing how those parts fit together, understanding the meaning, and learning from massive amounts of text. They don't memorize rules but recognize patterns that show what correct language looks like. This helps them handle the tricky details and subtle differences in how we speak and write every day.